In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Zoho Payroll and People. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main Zoho People screen. It also helps to do this on a desktop browser, since the settings and integration menus are easier to find and you will see the full sidebar options. Now look to the top right corner of Zoho People and click Settings. This is where Zoho People keeps the main administrative options, including anything related to extensions, connected apps, and account-wide configurations. After you open Settings, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area, because some pages in Zoho People look similar, but the Settings page is the one that gives you access to integrations. Next, find the Extensions section. Under Extensions, select Integrations. This area is specifically designed for linking Zoho People with other tools, including other Zoho services. If you manage multiple connections, this is also where you will see which integrations are available and which ones are already active. Once you are in Integrations, move to the left sidebar and click Zoho. This filters the integration options to Zoho's own apps, making it much easier to locate the payroll connection. If you do not see the Zoho option right away, scroll within the sidebar and look carefully, since the list can be longer depending on your setup. Now locate Zoho Payroll in the list. When you find it, click Configure or Setup, depending on what your screen shows. Configure is commonly used when the integration is available and you are ready to adjust the connection settings. Setup often appears if the integration has not been linked yet and needs to be initialized. After you click Configure or Setup, follow the on-screen prompts in Zoho People to complete the connection. Make sure you are working in the correct Zoho organization if your account has access to more than one, since that determines which payroll data is linked to your People records. And that is all there is to it.